Allie, Mommy has your ball. Want to get it? Go get it.
This is my chance of a lifetime. Sometimes you just gotta say I deserve it. And I do deserve it.
Where is it? You didn't bring it back. Where's your ball? Go get it.
You gotta walk the walk.
Well, you gotta bring it back.
Get ready to walk the walk.
This ball. You gotta fetch it. Alright, you ready? Go get it.
Nice to meet you. Hi.
Ready?
It went behind the stove thing.
You're going down.
Hi. I'm from Miami, Florida. Oh, yeah, baby, I'm the Celtic queen. What branch are you in?
Oh, that's a good boy. Now that was Mommy's fault. Alright, you ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go get it. Oh, it wasn't challenging enough. Oh no. Alright. One more time. Gotta remember to bring it back.
This is the newest piece of my bakery business, and it's a state-of-the-art facility. And over the next couple months,
Oh
you
no.
guys are going to know it very well. Well, at least some of you.
There you go.
I picked 12 of you. But since I'm a baker, I wanted a baker's dozen.
That's a good boy. Good boy. Ready? Go get it.
An American pick, Heather Brooks.
Thank you for having me.
You gotta bring me the ball.
America chose me to be here. My name's Heather Grubb. I'm from
Where'd your ball go, good kitty?
I